When dealing with hemorrhoids, it is recommended to avoid certain foods that can exacerbate symptoms or contribute to constipation. Here are some foods to avoid. Number 1. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can have a detrimental effect on hemorrhoids due to their potential to irritate the digestive system and exacerbate symptoms. Here's a further expansion on why it's advisable to avoid spicy foods. Spicy foods contain compounds like capsaicin, which give them their characteristic heat. When consumed, capsaicin stimulates the sensory nerves in the digestive system, causing a burning sensation and increasing blood flow to the area. This can lead to heightened sensitivity and inflammation in the anal region, which is already prone to irritation and swelling in individuals with hemorrhoids. The increased heat and irritation caused by spicy foods can trigger or worsen symptoms such as itching, pain, and discomfort. Spicy foods may also lead to an increase in blood circulation, which can exacerbate bleeding from existing hemorrhoids. Furthermore, spicy foods can have a stimulating effect on the digestive system, leading to more frequent bowel movements or diarrhea. This increased bowel activity can cause further irritation and strain on the hemorrhoidal veins, potentially worsening symptoms. For individuals with hemorrhoids, it is recommended to avoid or minimize the consumption of spicy foods such as hot peppers, chili powder, and spicy sauces. Instead, opt for milder alternatives or seasonings that are less likely to irritate the digestive system. This can help reduce inflammation, alleviate discomfort, and promote better management of hemorrhoid symptoms. It is important to note that individual tolerances to spicy foods may vary. Some individuals may find that they can still enjoy certain spices in moderation without experiencing significant worsening of symptoms. However, if you notice that consuming spicy foods consistently leads to increased discomfort or irritation, it is best to avoid them altogether or limit their intake. Number 2. Processed foods. Processed foods should be avoided or limited when dealing with hemorrhoids due to their negative impact on digestive health and potential to worsen symptoms. Here's a further expansion on why it's advisable to steer clear of processed foods. Lack of fiber. Processed foods are often stripped of their natural fiber content during manufacturing processes. Fiber is crucial for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, which can worsen hemorrhoid symptoms. By consuming processed foods low in fiber, individuals may experience difficulties in passing stools, increased straining during bowel movements, and a higher likelihood of developing or aggravating hemorrhoids. High in unhealthy fats and additives. Processed foods tend to be high in unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats, which can contribute to inflammation and negatively impact overall health. These fats can lead to weight gain, increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, and hinder digestion. Additionally, processed foods often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that can cause gastrointestinal irritation and exacerbate symptoms in individuals with hemorrhoids. Sodium content. Sodium content is an important factor to consider when dealing with hemorrhoids, as excessive sodium intake can contribute to water retention, bloating, and increased blood pressure, all of which can worsen hemorrhoid symptoms. Here's a further expansion on why it's important to be mindful of sodium levels. Water retention. High sodium intake can cause the body to retain water, leading to bloating and swelling. This water retention can increase pressure in the blood vessels, including those in the anal area affected by hemorrhoids. The added pressure can exacerbate hemorrhoid symptoms, such as pain, itching, and discomfort. Increased blood pressure. Consuming excessive amounts of sodium can contribute to high blood pressure, hypertension. Elevated blood pressure can strain the blood vessels, including those around the rectum, and increase the risk of hemorrhoid formation or aggravate existing hemorrhoids. Managing blood pressure within a healthy range is important for overall cardiovascular health and can help prevent complications related to hemorrhoids. Fluid imbalance. Consuming high amounts of sodium without adequate hydration can disrupt the balance of fluids in the body. This imbalance can lead to constipation or hard stools, which can strain the hemorrhoidal veins during bowel movements and worsen hemorrhoid symptoms. Maintaining proper hydration is crucial for softening stools and promoting regular bowel movements, which in turn helps alleviate discomfort associated with hemorrhoids. Lack of nutritional value. Processed foods are generally nutrient poor compared to whole, unprocessed foods. They often lack essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and aid in healing. Consuming a diet predominantly composed of processed foods can lead to nutritional deficiencies, weakened immune function, and impaired tissue repair, hindering the recovery process for hemorrhoids. To manage hemorrhoids effectively, it is recommended to focus on a diet that prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are naturally rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting healthy digestion, regular bowel movements, and improved overall well-being. By avoiding or minimizing processed foods, individuals can reduce the risk of constipation, inflammation, and discomfort associated with hemorrhoids. Choosing whole foods not only aids in managing hemorrhoids but also provides a host of other health benefits that contribute to a well-rounded, nutritious diet. Number 3. Alcohol consumption should be limited or avoided when dealing with hemorrhoids due to its potential negative effects on digestive health and its ability to worsen hemorrhoid symptoms. Here's a further expansion on why it's advisable to reduce alcohol intake. Dehydration. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration. Dehydration can contribute to constipation, as the body requires adequate hydration to maintain soft and easily passable stools. When stools become dry and hard, it can result in straining during bowel movements, which can further irritate hemorrhoids and exacerbate symptoms. Irritation and inflammation. Alcohol can irritate the digestive system, causing inflammation and increased blood flow to the gastrointestinal tract. This can lead to heightened sensitivity and discomfort in the anal region, making existing hemorrhoids more painful and prone to bleeding. Additionally, alcohol can contribute to overall inflammation in the body, hindering the healing process of hemorrhoids. Blood vessel dilation. Alcohol consumption can cause blood vessels to dilate, including the blood vessels in the anal area. This dilation can increase pressure on the hemorrhoidal veins and potentially lead to bleeding or the formation of new hemorrhoids. For individuals with existing hemorrhoids, alcohol can exacerbate these issues and prolong the healing process. Digestive upset. Alcohol can disrupt the normal functioning of the digestive system. It can irritate the lining of the stomach and intestines, leading to digestive issues such as acid reflux, gastritis, and stomach discomfort. These digestive disturbances can further worsen hemorrhoid symptoms and cause additional discomfort. Reducing or eliminating alcohol consumption can help alleviate these negative effects and promote better management of hemorrhoids. Instead of alcohol, it is advisable to choose hydrating alternatives such as water, herbal tea, or infused water. Staying properly hydrated supports regular bowel movements, softens stools, and reduces the strain on hemorrhoids. If you choose to consume alcohol occasionally, it's important to do so in moderation and consider factors such as hydration, overall health, and the presence of any specific triggers that worsen your hemorrhoid symptoms. If you've enjoyed this video and helped you learn more about gout, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that each week we release a brand new, life-saving video, you'll get notified right away.